My name is Arne and welcome back to Inside Out. Today I'm going to do a video all about inequalities. So let's get started. Hello everyone. It's now summer. So today we're going to be talking about inequalities. What? What is Harry Potter playing? It's not Halloween. Oh, Harry Potter, stop. Okay, let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about all about inequalities. So let's talk about what are inequalities and what are these symbols right here. These symbols? Can you know what they mean? So this symbol right here is a giant, this crocodile looking mouth right here. It looks like a giant crocodile trying to eat it. So this is called the less than symbol. So this is less than symbol. And then here, this is called the greater than symbol. And in the middle is just a slash. So these are the two symbols, and there's also equal symbol. The equal symbol is just like the equal sign. Like those are what all the three symbols are of inequalities. So inequalities, like how to write inequality. So here it says 9 by 7. Let's take this example. So 9 by 7, you can see they're using the greater than sign. Because the crocodile always wants to eat up the bigger number. So 9 is obviously bigger than 7. So the crocodile wants to eat 9, so the rear end will be pointed at 7. Like for example, if which is bigger or smaller? What's bigger, 3 or 3? They're equal, so you would put an equal sign right here, like that. And here, this is the less than sign. No, wait, what? Oh yeah, no, sorry. Here, this is another example. So as you can see here, 7 is obviously bigger than 3. So the crocodile or the mouse shape will always want to eat the 7 instead of the 3. Like here you have 6 by 1. Like 6 is bigger than 1, so the crocodile will always want to eat 6 up. So this is like how to write an inequality. So now we're gonna try some inequalities. So here, I'm gonna use my pen. So here it says 5 blank 6. So we have to find out what inequality goes in the middle. So which is bigger? So 5 and 6. So let's think. So I know that the crocodile always wants to eat up the bigger number, so the rear end must point at 5. So the crocodile always wants to eat the bigger number, so it would be 6. So this is what the inequality sign will be. Now, up here, we have 7 by 5. Let's think. I think it could be because I learned that the crocodile always wants to eat up the bigger number instead of the smaller one. So since 7 is greater than 5, so the rear end will be pointed at 5. So 7 is the biggest. So this would be our inequality symbol. Here as 8 by 1, let's think. So I learned that. So since 8 is obviously bigger than 1, so the crocodile wants to eat the 8. So we're gonna draw this symbol right here. Can you think of this last one right here? This one's a bit tricky. I know all of these signs, but I'm not sure because these two are the same. So which one's greater? Oh yeah, because they're both the same. We will put an equal sign, which means they're both equal to each other. So none of them is greater or any or less. So inequalities. So these are what we call inequalities. These equations right here, like 5 by 6. You have 7 by 5, 8 by 1, and 3 by 3. These are all inequalities. And this is how you read them. So you can read them as like example as 5 by 6. Here, these two. So you'll read them like 5 is smaller than 6 or 6 is greater than 5. For 7 by 5 you can read it as 7 is greater than 5 or 5 is less than 7. For 8 by 1 is like 8 is greater than 1 or 1 is less than 8. For 3 and these two, you can say 3 is equal to 3. So that's how you like read them. So like hope you like understand some sort of like an introduction to inequalities. So yeah, that's basically what inequalities are. So you're trying to like figure out which number is bigger and then put the sign there. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Bye for now. Inside Out, signing off.